Sunset's very early, so for the first time the teams came in after dark almost. South Africa have a bit of catching up to do. India 1-0 up, looking to make it 2-0. South Africa have never lost to India in a T20I series, remember? It is loud. Here's the first ball. And runs straight away. It's in the gap. He just stood there for a while. Oh, just over. Just over. Oh, almost played on. Another day. This one's running away with the boundary. Straight up, straight up. But there's only two fielders inside the circle, so they won't get there. Wouldn't have mattered. Just went over anyway. Right, it's a shot he plays well. It's a shot he plays very, very well. He's just got that arm speed. Doesn't matter if it gets a top edge sometimes. He gets the distance. Having said that, not the biggest boundary, but he had enough on it to clear.
This is a seriously big top edge. Oh, wonderful wrists. Wonderful wrists. And he likes that side, likes to manipulate the ball onto that side. There's a man there, not even fussed about him.
Wow, not that. He's one strike with the ball. Oh, very fine. He's just struggling with his direction here. He's just giving him a free hit with a fine leg inside.
Shot. Oh, that's the beauty. In the gap. Beautifully played. Didn't quite get it out the middle of the bat.
What a shot this is.
Oh, it's not a good ball.
It's only good news. Oh, look at that. That's the shot I was talking about. That flick that he plays with the bottom man coming in. This is terrific.
How the game evens out. The previous game, he was getting body blows. He was there right in the middle, fighting it out for the team. And suddenly, everybody was criticizing about the pace of play. 32 of 13. He's played some immaculate shots, some wonderful shots.
An interruption in play. And I understand it's because there's a snake on the field. We're looking to find it, actually. I'm not joking. Oh, there you go. There you go. There you go.
Now, what of the hazard? But this is beautiful. Look at the time he had. It might have been a little slower, but he's had so much time. This is 128. But KL Rahul, he looks in very sumptuous form. Oh, lovely. Lovely. He's bowling quick and he's traveling quick today. Out from the quick. Oh, just over. Now fielder should take the catch and eventually the breakthrough comes. But it's come with India scoring at 10 and over and still putting the foot on the pedal. And if you don't middle it, he's trying to fetch it around the off stump. Didn't quite middle it. And the fielder had to run in and take that catch. He takes it quite comfortably. And so distance stops taking the catch to give Maharaj and South Africa their first wicket. Rohit Sharma has played a very good innings of 43. And India have lost their first wicket. What a way to get to that half century with a shot. That is so typical of the way he's played today. High into the second tier from KL Rahul. Gets there just 24 balls. Wow, some exhibition this. It is. He sent this ball into orbit, hasn't he? Look at that fleet-footedness going down the pitch, making that ball into the length that he wanted. The fact that Mark would be getting the ball to turn slightly into him also helped. This is terrific stuff. Up goes the finger. Up goes the finger. He's looking for the sweep shot. He's looking for some support from Virat Kohli. He went into the sweep shot.
Pitching in line, impact in line, wickets hitting, original decision out. Zero on screen, please.
Oh, he was looking
Whenever you are on screen, stay with your
Kohli,
decision of out. Signal out now.
as if to say, Virat, tell me something, tell me something. There was nothing to tell. He's got to go. Maharaj continues his excellent spell. India lose another. Maharaj now is 2 for 17, but he's only got 3 balls to go. And an outstanding innings from KL Rahul. 57 of 28. Well played. He's played his part. And India are 107 for 2. Still plays a sweep shot. Will beat the fielder.
That's fine. And into the fence. Oh, fine shot. That's set up nicely. What a shot. What a shot that is. A flick of the wrist. Let's say the wrist willing.
It's such a difficult place for a bowler to be. You know he's strong on the leg side. That's why we want to put the field there. The offside field's in the ring, but it doesn't matter because he can carry it over the boundary.
He just picks his field. Just plays with the field. This one full toss, and he's banged it over and off. There he was ready. He was ready. Now where's he going to go? That's again, 6 ball. It's straight behind Clinton de Kock and into the crowd. 22 of the over. The runs for ball.
And we'll get the half century. This is just an extraordinary display. Finally, it's come into the circle. Only just. It doesn't matter. Because the ball's gone to the other end of the ground. Over the wicket. Oh, back past him. That was almost dangerous. It seems as if the bowler's running in only for the fielder to fetch the ball from the boundary. There are no fielders where the ball is going. I can assure you that there are indeed 11 South Africans on the ground at the moment. But the ball is just going where they aren't. Now another full toss. Now another boundary. There's enough bat on that. There's enough bat on that and much more in the night sky into the third tier. 100 of the partnership comes up. Oh, there's trouble at the non-striker then. Trouble at the non-striker then. And Surya Kumar Yadav has to go. Very good recovery by the fielder. That ball was struck very hard. Good recovery. Collecting the throw. Very good recovery. That's what I mean. Lost his balance. He's out of the but recovered very, very quickly. What an innings. There you are. Boundary. Absolutely. Hence the dilemma. Karthik was underplaying his extraordinary batting skills. Now he puts that in the gap. Oh, that bottom hand flicked through mid-wicket. It's an object of joy. Magnificent. Absolutely terrific. When the bottom hand comes into play, he can play that shot from around extra cover to square leg. This time he's picked the mid-wicket area, so he's hit it from outside the off stump. Bowlers can't do much. Bowlers cannot do much. Has he put that in the gap? Has he put that in the gap? To play up in the air. It's going to clear the boundary. What a shot! What a shot! This time he goes offside. Wow, you want to finish or you got one? One ball to go. What's he doing? It's a hit and a miss. They go through with the run. When you've made 236, look at Virat Kohli. They're sneaking a single. Oh, even the rich man counts the pennies. 237 for 3. What a performance. 4th highest T20 score ever. And everybody has helped themselves to a wonderful South African attack that's had an off day.
So we've seen a run feast in Guwahati today. India being put into batter, went hammer on tongs from the outset. In the air, struck to mid-off. His poor run continues, Bowman.
The previous over as well to Deepak Chahar. This one of a good length, tries to go over mid-off. There's no timing at all. Even though Virat Kohli is well in from the 30-yard marker, it's a simple catch to him. Arshdeep with another success. Early wicket for India. And Bavuma has gone for a knock.
That's up in the air. And taken on the second attempt, or maybe even third. Yeah, short enough, and he thinks that he can put that away. Miley Rousseau, top edge, and 1, 2, 3, got it. Thank goodness for his big chest, big shoulders. Oh, that's edged, and we'll go for 4. That's punched off the back foot for 4. Fields up.
There's a fielder there, he's not going to get there because the timing was exquisite. 4. It's an absolutely straight, strong. Oh, knocked it over. Once again, Akshat Patel and the stumps. He never lets them out of sight.
Aiden Markram, the first one was the one inside, now trying to back away. Just that hint of turn. Beats the bat, hits the stumps. South Africa 47 for 3.
There you go, that'll help. Shot. Shot. Power. There you go. Wow. He'll get more, he'll get more.
Oh, just got a hand to it. Just got a hand to it. They'll come back for 2. And look what's happened to the free hit.
Don't want to bowl no ball in any format of the game. An excellent 50 though for Miller. He stood out. Akram played some attractive shots, but Miller's kept going when the clock struggled at the other end.
Right, this time. Then the next one. Now down the ground. And again. Brilliant. Was in the arc, certainly. 50 comes up. 39 after 12 innings for Quinton de Kock.
That's safe. Here's Harshal Patel. And that's swung away and over square leg. Now that's another full toss. This gets the treatment. Good delivery. Boys, just put it away nicely. Onside, 4 more. Oh, he's clubbed that. For 6. It's gone flat as a tank. 26 of the over. That's massive. 99 miller down. Oh my word. That is absolutely smoked. My goodness. Oh, David Miller.
And Rohit Sharma's already in Akshar Patel's here. You don't want to float one up there just because you won the game. Just stick to your legs, and that was sensational. It was slow, but it was again in the slot.
I think the way South Africa bowled today, a totally off day. I mean, in spite of this defeat, which it looks like, I think there are a lot of positives still to come out with this kind of batting performance and the depth they had in the middle order, problems they had at the top. And again, he tees off. 100 for David Miller. Second of his career. It's come off just for these 6. It's a blinder. The maturity of David Miller has been something to watch. He's got better and better. Yes, bags of talent as a youngster, but as he's grown into a senior man and even captained this T20 side in the absence of Puma, he's been pretty good. Franchise cricket around the world, and has shown that he's a big player in the format. What a knock. Fabulous. That's squeezed out. Just a single. Where it's not just been a case of you need him to walk in and tee off from 4-1. He's actually played in this format as a batter. Walk in, set his stall out, albeit quite quickly, and then cut loose. So Quinton de Kock finishes with a 6. But South Africa falls short. Another big over. They fall short by 16. It's a real high-scoring game here today in Guwahati. 236 played 221. And India winning by 16, winning the series. And that's the first time they've beaten South Africa in India. Yeah, congratulations to India. The batting sets it up. The batting does the job.